simple. They took a risk on me when no one else did. Since high school, second time in college, and gotta repay it back. And for me, dadating din naman yan eh.
Masakit yung sinabi niya nung high school. Dapat beda to maglalaro eh. Dapat sa beda na siya. Red Caps na eh. Pero again, he was at the right place and he won.
Yeah, respect, man. Respect.
Mahirap yung adjustment mo. I mean, sabi mo nga, di ba, you were a scorer coming off that Red Robins Championship runs. Tapos, pagpunta mo sa UE, it was a different facet of your game na hinihingi ng program. Was it a difficult transition for you?
Actually, galing din ako injury nun eh. ACL injury.
Oh, yun nga. Yun pa.
So yun, akala nila siguro, di nila, mas iba yung, may ibang mas magaling na scorer. So yun, doon nila ako nilagay sa rule na yun. So, syempre ako naman, mag-a-adapt talaga ako kasi sila nag-control ng minuto ko eh.
Correct,
so, yun, I had to learn yun for like 2 years, mga ganun. Kasi pandemic, ACL season sa UAP, then pandemic season. So yun, madami akong natutunan dun.
Pero you made a huge decision to go back to Mapua.
Yeah.
I call it, well, difficult at that time kasi syempre, rookie year mo ng UE, meron ka namang playing time eh. Kumbaga, nasa iyo rin naman yung susi nung team na yon. Then you went back to the NCAA. Mas mahirap pa yon kasi 1 year kang hindi maglalaro sa Mother League, sa isang competitive league. What was that residency year like? Ano yung ginagawa mo doon? What were your thoughts? Were you itching to play when you were watching on the sidelines?
Okay, so let me take, nung nag-transfer from UE to Mapua, wala talagang gustong, even my mom wanted me to stay in UE. Like, sige, trust, may plano sila para sa'yo. Pero, parang, at that time, nag-ask na guidance from God. Totoo to. Parang, give me a sign kung ilipat ba talaga ako or mag-stay ako. Sa condo namin, pagkanan, nakita ko yun sila, mga weeks after na to, when I prayed, nakita ko sila Warren, sila Toby Agustin, sila Waki,